Yeah, friends. Now we were talking about how to come out of the negative thoughts, right? There is nothing called a thought is a thought. It has got nothing to do with the negative or any positive. We have already heard about it. We have already understood, and now it is. However, though we know consciously, we are intelligent enough to understand that this is the thought which is dominating us, and this is the thought which is uplifting us. One thought is constructive and the other thought is destructive. Okay, when we see a flow of life, we all know that life is all about up and down. That's how life goes on, and that's how we have been taught from our childhood, since our generations and ancestors and all. Certain kinds of thoughts are bad and certain kinds of thoughts are good. Okay, some are harmful, some are not harmful. So that's how we came into the point of these thoughts are negative and these thoughts are positive. Now, how do you train your mind? We know intellectually, we know that this is right, this is wrong. There is nothing to be, when the minute the question we put that, how to come out of the negative thoughts, that itself says that you have something which is harming and which is destructive in you. So to cut it off is to simply, consciously, logically, you understand, you avoid it. Don't give energy to it. But what about the mind aspect? How would you convince your mind saying that this is bad? Because mind is only connected to that memory and that story and that thought. That's all. Mind does not know that this is good and this is bad. It is your heart which is feeling, which is giving a good feeling, and one thought is giving you a very suffering kind of a feeling. That is how you differentiate that this is good, this is negative, and this is positive. So when a thought is giving you not good feeling, okay, it is not good feeling, but yet you are going on connecting to that feeling again and again. Okay, say suppose there is an anger completely inside you. You know that is harming you inside, but you do not know how to come out of it. Okay, by avoiding it, you cannot come out of it. You should have courage enough in your heart to face it. Feel that pain completely. Feel that anger within yourself completely. Let the heart bubble, cry, shout, or whatever it happens. Let it express itself. Give an heart, the emotions. Heart is nothing but the emotions part, an opportunity to express itself. Your mind is expressing through your words. Let your heart is also express it through its feelings. Heart don't need to, whenever you are dealing with anything related to heart, anything related to emotions, you don't have to share it to anyone. Whether it is love or whether it is anger or whether it is hatred, you be with it. Be with that feelings. Allow it to flow again and again. And I also add a point, be with your breath as and when you connect to such kind of thoughts. Go witness these thoughts along with your breath. Why breath? Let through the breath, because air is a dynamic element. Among all the elements, we know, like water, we have heard, we know that it is an impressionable element. The same way, air is a dynamic element. It knows how to, completely wind off everything and clear off everything, all this, even tiny particles of dust from it. It has got that essence. The power of breath is such. So, because the air element is there. So, through that element, air element, look into that aspect, breathe it completely, let it come out. Maybe the tears flow out, maybe from inside you feel very horrible, very bad and very this thing, but leave it. And once you settle down, even after 1 hour also, you may feel that nothing is getting settled down. Still the thoughts are the same. It is not going out. It's harming. It's not good for me. And whenever I express the same anger to other person, it's neither doing any good for the other person in the relationship, and the relationship getting damaged. It is okay. You don't have to express this out. Let it be inside and churn it out inside. Let the churning happen inside you. And you will see at one point of time, you will get a thought. You might only get a thought, just like a simple thought like, what is this? I'm just breathing and continuing the same thing, and nothing seems to come to an end. And I'm continuously doing since last 2 days, 3 days, I'm doing the same. I say continue the same. Even if it is 3 days or 4 days, it is okay. Because the minute you get a thought, since 3 days I am doing the same, that thought itself, the realization of that once, every realization is a point of reversal. The minute you realize that since last 3 days you are doing the same thing, that's when the transformation is begun. Understand the transformation is begun. So continue to do that. It is okay. You have, as a human being, you have all the rights to be anger, or you have all the rights to be hatred, or you have all the rights to feel every emotion in your heart. But live with that emotions so that it is clear. Okay. This is how you can come out of all the negative thoughts. The minute you have labeled, it is you who have labeled that this is negative. It is your mind which has labeled it is negative, and it is the heart, the emotions which has labeled that yes, these are the feelings. Because these are the feelings, it has been labeled as negative. Then deal with it and finish it off. Thank you, friends.